دیر است که دلدار پیامی نفرستاد، ننوشت سلامی و کلامی نفرستاد. Hello, my friend. Salam دوست من.
Salam.
Salam. That's what we're trying to broker here. Salam.
Ah, Persian. Or, as we Iranians like to call it, Farsi.
We're speaking Farsi.
Dear friends, this isn't just a language. It's a river of poetry that has been flowing for hundreds of years. From the bazaars of Tehran to the valleys of Afghanistan, from the mountains of Tajikistan to the hearts of Persians all over the world, millions speak this beautiful language which has been around for 3,000 years. But what really moves me is its heart.
Sophia Loren, Persian eye.
Listen to how it moves between sounds and how it expresses deep feelings and big ideas in a single breath. And here's something that might surprise you. Farsi is very friendly to people who speak English. This course may look strange now, but learning Persian is like seeing the world through the eyes of Rumi and Hafez. That is a gift worth going after, my friends. Many years I have spent bringing you on this journey, my dear friends. It's time now for you to learn in this class, and also time for us to begin loving Persian.
Love the language.
We have invented microlearning. Imagine it as little trips. It's a lovely particular lesson that's swift, humorous, and just perfect for everyday life, just like a nice cup of tea.
Cup of tea? Yes.
Our blended method is a wonderful recipe by a chef. We've selected the best ingredients and blended them together, utilizing tested approaches that are most effective for learners such as yourself. The way people speak, genuine conversation that matters, and learning through one's own experiences, such as learning to ride a bike by riding, not by reading, are a few things that bring about wisdom. We evolve to complement your soul journey, just as a thoughtful teacher who knows all his students. You adjust to support your own because you are just one who speaks Persian your own unique way. By practicing speaking, listening, reading, and writing, all of them improve. But can you speak confidently and naturally immediately? Yes, you can. That's where magic happens. Grammar and vocabulary are not dry rules, no, like flowers that bloom during spring. They bloom naturally, one in its right place at its right time. Now, are you ready to get started? Duistaman? Together, we will build something special, your foundation in Persian. You will be able to express yourself with heart, you will understand the beautiful logic of our grammar, and you will understand our elegant script. Let's take a step on this journey together, and let me take you on this journey into the Persian language, a world where every word is a window into our souls.
Open the window.
Stay tuned for the first lesson. See you in class. Farsi Nushajan.
Persian for the curious. Learn Farsi with Professor Penjar.